Hi everyone, today we're going to draw a rainbow with some clouds.
That's right, we're going to draw a really nice colourful rainbow with some little cloud faces on it. This is a really nice easy lesson for us, isn't it? You ready to go?
Yeah.
High five, let's do this. Okay, let's get our pens and let's start drawing our clouds first. And we're going to draw a cloud down here near the bottom, and then the rainbow is going to be above it. So on the side here, about here, let's start drawing our cloud. And we're going to draw little puffs. And it's going to go like this. One puff.
One puff.
Then we're going to go up a little bit. Whoa, that's a big one. That's okay. And we're going to go across now. That's right. We're going to do one going up there. And let's start coming down. Very good. And let's go across a little bit. Yeah, just to about there. And then I'm going to bring mine back around a little bit more. That's right. And now we're going to go around the bottom, but it's a bit more flat at the bottom. So we're going to do like that one. Very good. And there we go, another one. A little bit more flat. That's it. And you do a couple more. And you can join it up at the top. Very good. And now let's draw another one on the right hand side. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to try to draw the same size cloud. So we're going to draw one over here. So we can draw another puff. You can start about here. Start going around. That's right. And go up. Go another one up this way. And then we can start coming across a bit more. And let's start going wider outside, so around to here. Carry on going down. And we can start joining it near the bottom. You can do a bit longer. And remember, you want to catch up to this spot here, so we're going across. Very good. Two nice, cute little clouds. So let's draw our cloud faces. And we can draw different expressions on our clouds, can't we? So I'm going to draw one with two eyes. So I'm going to start with my eyes. We're going to draw an eye here. That's our left eye. And then our right eye.
This one behind here.
Yeah, same size on the other side. Very good. And I'm going to make my cloud look at my other cloud. So to do that, I'm going to draw a little line inside like that on each side. Very good, perfect. That's it. And let's give this cloud a little highlight at the top here. Very good. And let's color in these parts there. Doesn't it look like it's looking at the other cloud?
Yeah.
Yeah, really cool.
It
So
looks
let's
like it's going up.
yeah. So let's draw a mouth. You can do the mouth you like to do. I'm gonna do a kind of a wide mouth with a big smile on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna draw it like this. In between, I'm gonna start with a line in between my eyes. You've drawn yours under your eyes, but that's really good. And you can draw a nice big happy smile on there.
That's big.
Very good. I'm gonna add some teeth on mine.
Yeah.
You don't have to, but if you want to, you can do it too. I'm just gonna two little goofy teeth. And then I'll draw a tongue like you did. And then I'm gonna color in the mouth. So you can go ahead and color that mouth in. Okay, now let's draw the other one. And I'm gonna make this one also look at the other cloud like they're friends. So let's draw another eye. Start with his left eye, so you can draw in there. Very good. And then on this side, I'm gonna draw his eyes kind of closed, so he's kind of winking at his friend on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try that. And to do that, we draw like a kind of a V shape, but a V that's laying down on its side, like sleeping. So I'm gonna draw a line like this and a line like that. Very good. I'm just gonna make that a little bit more.
Like a chicken. Like a chick.
Like a chicken's beak? Yeah, that's very good. And then on the eye, I'm gonna make him look at his friend as well. And we can do a highlight and color it in. And then I'm gonna draw my mouth like a big, short, sharp one. Very good. Should we put a tongue in this one too? Yeah, let's put our tongue. And we can color our mouth.
I'm gonna add some teeth on it.
Yeah, you can add some teeth on it. I like your wiggly tongue too. Very good, I like those teeth. Did great job with your clouds.
Like swooping over teeth.
That's right, they look really fun and happy, don't they?
Yeah.
I really like your mouth there. Very good. Okay, we're gonna do our rainbow now.
Yeah.
We're gonna put our black pens down and we're gonna start with the colors of our rainbow. So we're gonna share our colors and we're gonna start drawing from the middle one and we're gonna go out until we get all the colors together. So let's start with this one.
Daddy, I want to color my tongue.
You want to color your tongue to red? You want red or pink?
Red. Red. And pink for the other one.
Very good. Good job.
Different
Excellent.
colours.
Very nice. I
Red
like
and
it.
pink.
Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna draw the first arc of the rainbow, okay? So it's kind of like an N shape, right? So we're gonna draw up a little bit, and then we're gonna curve this line around and join them just like a rainbow. So you can just draw that line there. Can you draw that line?
Start here.
A little bit more inside, yeah, to here. So I'm gonna put a little reference point there and a reference point here. And you're gonna draw a line up. You want it to go a bit more straight. So we'll cut out this side, we'll just go straight there. That's fine. And we wanna go straight up there. And now you wanna join these two with a nice arc. Very good. And now we're gonna start with the next color.
Like bunny ears.
Like bunny ears. We're gonna start with the next color. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna draw a straight line up. And then we're gonna follow it around. But it must be the same distance from the purple one. And don't worry, we're gonna color these in later, okay? So can you do that? Can try to do the same as mine. Try to keep the distance the same all the way around. It's a bit tricky. Oh wait, that's a bit too far. Let's start over here because we need all the colors. Sorry, I didn't show you that nicely. So we'll start here and we'll start here and join these two. Okay, because we need all the space for all the colors. That's okay though. Very good. And now I'm gonna do the green one as well, because green's gonna be our next color.
Yeah, you love green.
Ah, it's my favorite color.
I love blue.
You love blue.
I
Just
also
like that.
like the rainbows. The colours.
All the colors of the rainbow.
Yeah. Where should I start?
So you start on this blue line.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. That's okay. We can start right here. Okay, and we can start here, and now you can join those two together. You're doing great. Very good. And now I'm gonna do yellow. Bit of a pale
My
yellow.
sister's favourite colour.
Yeah,
She loves yellow like Princess Belle.
it's a nice color, isn't it?
Yeah.
You take that one. So you wanna draw. So you wanna draw the same distance there. We can start over there, and we do that and go around. Good job. Very good. And now we're gonna do orange. Let's do orange there. Very nice. And we're gonna go around again. A little bit more. Very tricky to do, isn't it?
Yeah, next is red.
Next is red, you're right. Very good. Now I'm gonna go all the way around.
With the liddy lid.
Here's the lid for orange. But on the red one, we're gonna do two lines. because that's gonna be where our one finishes. So we're gonna all the way up. Go, keep going around.
Big rainbow.
Big rainbow, look at that. So you can draw the red one.
Is that here?
That's it. A little bit more inside, yeah, about there. So your 2 lines, and we can just draw over this one, okay? And then go all the way around. You're gonna go the other way? I can start there. Good job. Really tricky to draw nice round circles, isn't it? And just draw one more for me.
Here.
Yeah. And try to
one here.
about there, the top. Very good. And follow, keep it the same. Wow. Very good. Okay, great job. So we have drawn our cute little puffs of clouds with funny faces, and now we're gonna color in our rainbow.
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna fast forward through our coloring, but you can always pause to try and catch up with us and see which colors we use. You ready to go?
Yes.
Right, let's go. Let's color in. Yeah. Well, Summer, we have done some super nice colorful rainbows with some cute little cloud faces. Oh, I forgot something on my cloud. What did I forget?
Dingo.
Tongues. I forgot the tongue. I need to color my tongue quickly. You already did it. You were super fast. And I think you have done a wonderful rainbow. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I like it too. Do you like mine?
Yes.
You've done awesome. High five for you. Hope you guys enjoyed our colorful rainbows, and I'm sure yours looks super cute too.
Yeah.
If you like our drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.
Bye.